Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to use Google Maps for public transport. Firstly, open Google Maps on your smartphone or computer. Enter your destination in the search bar and tap directions. Choose the public transit option as in tap the bus train icon instead of the default car icon. Google Maps will display different route options including estimated travel time. Some options may be faster but require more transfers. Others may take slightly longer but involve fewer transfers for convenience. Consider walking distances, wait times, and transfer locations before selecting your route. Google Maps will show the station or bus stop to go, the platform number for trains, and the number of stops before getting off. It also provides real-time transit updates and you can see departure times, delays, and alternate routes. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.